Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here's Maggie. Today's video is the first video 2022. I'm going to work on this vintage shiny cabinet. Need a little bit work. Lose a stream on a draw. I got this on a Facebook marketplace. Was 2 pieces, this shiny cabinet and a sideboard. Sideboard buffet I'm working in another video. Has a big keyhole. I need to make a mold for this keyhole. Some scratch inside, but the edge is in a pretty good condition. First I'm going to a good cleaning and take the hardware off. Now I'm going to make a mold for a trim, that trim the draw miss. I use kids clam because I have in hand right now. Works, not too bad what's the other molds, but that I have now in hand. To measures and make a mold with this keyhole. Maybe you ask why I'm going to do a mold and now use this. I now use this because this is hard and the mold is soft and I can adjust on this big hole. That's why I'm going to make a mold and make a new one. I'm using gel stain inside. For my first time, I'm doing a dry brush, and let's go to see what this comes out. I'm in the process to learn and try new things. Let's do a quick look when I'm start with and after. For my first time I did dry brush, I really love how this china cabinet comes out. Looks antique and I really love. Let me know in comments below what you think. I hope you enjoy my video like I did to make it. Now you can buy me a coffee, can help to support my channel. You can check my Amazon wish list. That will be big helpful to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.